Sunni got up on a Wakesurf board, and that's just awesome. She's only 5 years old, but how did we get her to this point? Well, first, we got her comfortable around the boat, and even riding behind the boat with us. She rode with both Camille and myself. We taught her how to ski.
Stand up. You got it. You got it.
Even just look how little she is. It makes me want to cry a little bit, even just watching this, because she's so small. Time goes by really fast. Everyone tells you that, but it's true. It's gone in like a blink of an eye. It's crazy. Anyways, I divert back. We practice on getting her up on a wakeboard, just on the carpet, so she can learn the muscle memory of getting up on a board. Then we move to shallow water like this. We tried behind the boat.
But watch, if you flip over, this is what it feels like. It's okay, you're gonna be okay. No, let go. See how it's kind of shoving your head down, but you're still fine? Okay, and then you gotta rock your body like this. Kick over, boom.
She would get too excited and she wouldn't listen and do what we had practiced. She would just stand up too quickly, which would never really work. We did some more practice and still the same thing. She would stand up too quick. So right here in the water, we did even more practice. The key we had to give her was you have to stand up slowly. Remember, there's a 3-step process when learning how to get up on a wakeboard. Slide your butt to your heels, point your toes, and stand up. With wake surfing, it's one more step. Push your heels down, slide your butt to your heels, point your toes, stand up. She would always stand up too quickly, and so the board would sink down in the water and she would get pulled over the board. She overcame her bad habits by doing some more practice, and she popped right up. The first thing she said when we came around is, "Dad, I hate this. My feet are attached to the board, and the wave goes over my head." Now that she understood the process of getting up on a board behind the boat, I felt like she was ready to try to wake surf. And since she hated the fact that her feet were strapped in, I figured I might as well try it. I grabbed our Swell Wakesurf kids board and got her feet placed on the board in the right spot, and after a couple times, she popped right up. I came around again and she wanted to keep going, so we popped her up a couple more times. She's well on her way to wake surfing without the rope. It was awesome to see her overcome her fears and to learn new skills. If you want to check out the board we used, naturally, I made a video just for you. Tap or click the screen here, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.